Hey everyone, welcome back to our finance podcast. I'm Maya, here with Vid. Wow, what a morning, right? I'm looking at the headlines and oil prices are plummeting, stocks are jumping, all because of this US-Iran peace deal. Vid, what's going on?
Yeah, so here's the thing, Maya. This deal is huge, and it's got everyone feeling optimistic. But let's talk about how this affects the market, specifically options. You know, people are always talking about options, but I think a lot of us don't really understand how they work.
Wait, what even is an option, Vid? I mean, I've heard the term, but I don't really get it.
Great question, Maya. An option is like a reservation at a restaurant. Let's say you really want to eat at a super popular restaurant, but you're not sure if you'll be able to make it. So, you pay a little extra to reserve a table just in case. That's basically what an option is. It's a contract that gives you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell something at a certain price.
That makes sense. So, it's like buying insurance, kind of.
Exactly, Maya. It's like buying insurance for your investment. Now, let's talk about options premium decay. This is where things get really interesting. Okay, picture this, you're at a coffee shop and you buy a coupon for a free coffee that's only good for a week. The coupon is worth, say, $5. But every day that passes, the coupon becomes less valuable because it's only good for a limited time. That's basically what's happening with options premium decay. The value of the option decreases over time.
Oh, I see. So, it's like the coupon is losing value because it's getting closer to expiring.
Right, exactly. The option is losing value because it's getting closer to expiring, and that's what we mean by time decay. Let's say you buy an option to buy a stock at $50, and the stock is currently trading at $50. The option might be worth, say, $10. But as time passes, the option becomes less valuable because the stock might not be trading at $50 anymore.
Okay, so what's the big deal about time decay? Why does it matter?
Well, Maya, time decay is a big deal because it can really eat into your profits. Let's say you buy an option and you're hoping the stock will go up, but it doesn't. The option is going to expire, and you'll lose the entire value of the option. It's like buying a ticket to a concert, but the concert gets canceled, you're out the money.
Yeah, that makes sense. So, what's happening right now with the US-Iran peace deal? How is that affecting the market?
Okay, so the VIX is at 16.15, which is pretty low. That means the market is feeling pretty calm. The oil price is down at $77.3, which is a big drop. And the SPY is up at $754.83, which is a big jump. All of this is because of the peace deal. It's reducing uncertainty, and that's making the market happy.
Exactly. I love how you explain this stuff, Vid. It's like you're telling a story.
Haha, thanks, Maya. I try to make it as relatable as possible. Okay, so let's talk about what might happen next. If the peace deal holds, we might see oil prices continue to drop and stocks continue to rise. But if the deal falls apart, we could see the opposite happen.
Oh man, that's a big if. What are the chances of the deal holding?
Well, it's hard to say, but I'd put the chances at around 60 to 40. The US and Iran have been talking for a while, and it seems like they're really trying to make this work. But there are always risks involved with these kinds of deals.
Yeah, that makes sense. So, what should we be watching out for?
We should be watching the oil price and the SPY. If oil continues to drop and the SPY continues to rise, that's a good sign that the deal is holding. But if oil starts to rise again and the SPY starts to drop, that's a bad sign.
Okay, got it. So, what's the bottom line, Vid? What do we take away from all this?
Okay, so here are the key takeaways. Options premium decay is a real thing, and it can eat into your profits if you're not careful. Time decay is a big part of that, so you need to be mindful of it. And finally, the US-Iran peace deal is a big deal, and it's going to have a big impact on the market. Just remember, this is all educational, not financial advice. We're just trying to help you understand the market a little better.
Right. Thanks, Vid. You're the best. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in. If you want to learn more, join us on Discord, and we'll keep the conversation going. See you next time.